Hi guys, in this project I will show you the rebar footers work. You can see anchor bolt set on place, rebar, and you can see the L for the L-shaped rebar to the inside of the building, to the slab. That's according to the design. You can see that's another footers, anchor bolt set on center per drawing. And here you can see in this project there's a rock, so when they dig there's a lot of rocks over here and there. You can see there's a lot of rocks. That will be hard work, but anyway they just need to finish. And you can see here anchor bolt, rebar mat, chairs, and as I said, a lot of rocks. That's the details for the foundation. Yeah, set anchor bolt on place, rebar work, chairs, and over there interior footing will be. That's the surveying work, give the center line, that's the string. Same thing here, bollard board for surveying. You can see that string, anchor bolt, line up everything with the string. Yeah. That's the footing work.